In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos using Canva. Let's get started by opening your project. Your project is simply the design or canvas you're already working on in Canva. Make sure the photo you want to work with is visible on your canvas, and if needed, zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the details you plan to refine. A clear view helps you make more accurate adjustments. Next, click the image you wish to edit. When the image is selected, you'll notice a bounding box and selection handles around it. This confirms Canva is targeting that specific photo, and it also reveals the relevant editing options in the top toolbar. Selection is important. If nothing is selected, you won't see the right tools. Now look to the toolbar above your canvas and click Edit. As soon as you do, a panel opens on the left side of your screen. This panel is your editing command center. It organizes the tools you'll use to improve your photo, and it offers a clean, visual way to refine the look without leaving your design. From this panel, choose Adjust. Adjust is where you'll fine-tune the essentials: white balance, light, color, and texture. Think of these as the foundation of a well-edited image. You'll see controls and sliders that update your photo in real time, so you can judge the results as you go. White balance controls the overall color temperature of your image. If your photo looks too blue and cold, warm it up. If it looks too orange, cool it down. Aim for neutral whites and natural skin tones. Subtle moves here often make a dramatic difference. Under light, you'll shape brightness and contrast. Nudge the overall exposure to correct an image that's too dark or too bright. Then refine contrast, highlights and shadows to restore detail. Pull back highlights to recover bright areas, and lift shadows to reveal what's hidden in darker regions. Balance is key. Avoid crushing blacks or blowing out whites. Color adjustments influence how vivid or muted your photo feels. Increase saturation sparingly to make hues pop, and use it with a light touch to avoid artificial results. Small, incremental moves tend to look more professional than big swings. Texture affects clarity and perceived sharpness. A gentle boost can add crispness and definition to edges, while reducing it can soften a harsh image. If your photo includes fine patterns or faces, be conservative to prevent halos or grain. As you experiment, watch the live preview and trust your eye. If something doesn't look right, use undo or reset to return to a clean slate. Continue refining until the photo looks the way you want. And that's it. You've edited your image directly within your Canva project, quickly and effectively.